What is VA entitlement and how does it work? If you're a veteran shopping for a home, a VA loan can have a lot of benefits compared to getting a conventional mortgage. Many veterans apply for VA loans because they don't require a down payment and they offer relatively low interest rates. But before applying for a VA loan, it's important to understand your VA entitlement. VA entitlement is the amount that the Department of Veteran Affairs guarantees to repay a lender if a borrower defaults on their VA loan. It's a safety net for lenders and a huge benefit for eligible borrowers. As a borrower, you need to know about full entitlement and remaining entitlement. Terms like additional entitlement and bonus entitlement exist as well, but they're only used when the VA communicates with lenders. These terms are not used when you're applying for a VA loan. Having full entitlement means at least one of three things. You haven't used your VA loan benefit before, you've previously repaid a VA loan and sold the property, or you've repaid the VA after having a short sale on a home with the VA loan. How does full entitlement work? As of 2020, eligible veterans, service members, and their surviving spouses with full entitlement don't have limits on the amount that they can borrow, and they don't need to make a down payment. If you default on your loan, the VA will guarantee to your lender that it will reimburse up to 25% of the loan amount. Just keep in mind that full entitlement doesn't mean that you can borrow however much you want. You still need to be approved by a lender, which will determine the size of the loan that you can afford. If you have remaining entitlement, you do have a limit on the amount that you can borrow for a VA loan. The limit is based on the county loan limit where you reside. If you default on your loan, the VA will reimburse your lender up to 25% of that county loan limit minus the amount of the entitlement that you've already used. If you're using remaining entitlement, you also might need to make a down payment. Most lenders require VA loan borrowers to cover at least 25% of the total loan amount, whether that's through their VA entitlement, a down payment, or a combination of both. VA entitlement is a key benefit of VA loans for eligible borrowers. To learn more about VA entitlement and understand how it might apply to your specific situation, consulting a knowledgeable mortgage professional, especially one who's familiar with VA loans, is essential. They can guide you through the application process and help you maximize your benefits under the VA loan program. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the best on your home buying journey.